Hi everyone! Here is a comprehensive generative AI course by Mr. Satish Jawali. It is structured to suit professionals, students, or organizations seeking to develop capabilities in this transformative field. The course is modular, practical, and scalable, covering both conceptual foundations and hands-on applications. Course title: Mastering Generative AI, Foundations to Real-World Applications course. Duration: 6 to 8 weeks, flexible for self-paced or instructor-led delivery. Target audience: tech professionals, developers, data scientists, product managers, creatives, designers, marketers, content creators, business leaders exploring GenAI integration, students and researchers in AI/ML fields. Learning outcomes: by the end of this course, learners will understand the fundamental concepts behind generative AI, explore major generative models, LLMs, GANs, VAEs, Diffusion, learn prompt engineering and fine-tuning techniques, apply GenAI in real-world scenarios, text, code, image, video, audio, data, understand ethical and legal implications, build and deploy generative AI projects and solutions.